Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, uGogo Skhotheni is on a new journey, guys. As we all know that she lost her son recently, and they recently had a funeral, like everything just went on so fast, and like, which is what I think we should all be doing, this thing of just dragging the funeral and the preparations is just not on. But then I'm guessing that it didn't drag for her because maybe she already had like a funeral plan, she already had the insurance, so it was quick so that they can just bury the son in peace. So yes, Gogo Skhotheni is on a new journey, guys. She lost her son and she is now trying to honor her son. Not even trying, but she is honoring her son. Gogo Skhotheni recently went bald, guys. She cut all of her hair, so for now she doesn't have any hair. She has just short hair, brush anyana, but she doesn't have any hair, which is understandable. It's what we do in our black cultures. When we lose someone close to us, you need to cut your hair. And look how beautiful she is, guys. One thing about Gogo Skhotheni, she is beautiful with hair, she is beautiful without hair, she is beautiful with weaves. She is just gorgeous, guys. She is gorgeous naturally without makeup, and also extra gorgeous with makeup. But one thing about her that we can all agree on is that she is a gorgeous girl. So she decided to cut her hair, decided to go bald. And yes, guys, this is her looking all cute with makeup. And another thing, guys, she is back to work. Okay, Gogo Skhotheni is back to the gigs, guys. She is back with a banger, which is not a surprise to me, I guess, because like, guys, bills need to be paid, things need to be paid, especially after a funeral. Like, I just think it's a good thing for her to go back to work so that she can keep herself busy, and not focus on the hurt that she is currently feeling. But yes, people have been criticizing her, people have been criticizing her, saying how can she go back to work so soon, the same month, because she posted on Facebook that she has gigs, I think next week or that other week. But yes, she is definitely going back to gigs, going back to work, and making some coins. So people were just like, how Gogo Skhotheni so quick? And she was so unapologetic about it. She was like, yes, I am going back to work. So what? Like, guys, mind your own business. The comment section on that post, she was just answering people with, yes, I am back to work. So what? And I think if she thinks that's what's good for her, then she can go on and just go back to work, keep herself busy, and also keep her mind off things. But yes, Gogo Skhotheni is currently mourning. She decided to cut all her hair, and also she is back to work. We just wish her all the best, guys, because kunzima, but we wish her all the best.